Hi, I'm Lila Ambrose with Amborse Family Farm, and I'm here today to show you another healthy, delicious way to use your fruits and vegetables. We're going to juice. If you don't have a juicer and need to buy one, just look for a mid-grade juicer on the box. It should say if it will juice wheatgrass, then you won't have a problem juicing any of these greens or root vegetables that we're using today. Ambrose Family Farm, our farm, has provided all the organic vegetables. We love them because they're organic. It's fall vegetables, fall and winter, and that's what we're using. Let's get started. First, we are going to use 4 or 5 leaves of kale. Put them in our juicer. Kale is in the same family as collards, but has the curly leaves. So if you don't have kale and you want to have something that's nutritionally of the same value, then collards is a great thing. Kale has just a ton of benefits. It's really high in antioxidants, high in calcium, vitamin K, and vitamin C. So there's the 4 to 5 leaves of kale. Next, 10 carrots. These are rainbow carrots, so all different colors. Carrots are really sweet, great in your juice. You'll enjoy them, and we enjoy juicing them just alone a lot of times. They've got a lot of benefits as well. High in B complex, vitamin A. Their mineral content is extremely high. And beta-carotene. Great thing about beta-carotene is that it helps your body produce vitamin A, which is fantastic for your liver. Don't forget, at any time you can change the recipe. Right now I'm using about 10 carrots, and I just am using the recipe that my family enjoys eating the most with these vegetables. More carrots will make it sweeter. Kale is a bit bitter, but we're going to reduce the bitterness with some lemon. Here's about 10 carrots. Okay, next we're using beets. We're going to use 2 small beets. You can use 1 large beet, again, just how you and your family enjoy beets. They're very delicious. We're also using green. Although the green is bitter like the kale is, it's the highest in minerals, vitamins, the nutritional value. Beets is a great blood cleanser. Let me get this beet to go down here. There it goes. And to reduce some of the bitterness of the leaves, both the kale and the beets. Next are lemons, and you can use, we're using the peel on the lemons. If you prefer, you can take the peels off. Lemons are also great. Our liver loves them. And we're using half of a lemon. And last, an apple. Apples not only make your juice taste great, they're also a cleanser for our liver. Again, you don't have to use any particular recipe. If your family enjoys a sweeter juice, more apples, more lemons, more carrots. And there it is. Look at that. Delicious juice. Not only tastes good, but it's good for you. Enjoy.